Whether you're at work, at the doctor's office, or out running errands, you can access your employee benefit account information on the go with the mobile myRSC app for iPhone and Android. View account balance information, card transactions, file claims, and manage communication preferences, all from the convenience of your smartphone. In this tutorial, we will show you the features of the myRSC app and how to use them. Once you've downloaded the mobile myRSC app from the App Store or Google Play and opened it, the first page you see is the login screen. Enter the same username and password that you used to log into the full myRSC website. After logging in, you see the home page that lists all the options that are available to you. Your home page may look different than the home page you see here, because what's listed depends on what benefits are available to you and what you have elected. View Accounts is where you can view the balance and details of your health reimbursement account, health savings account, flex spending accounts, or transit and parking accounts. You may have one or more of these accounts available to you, depending on your company's benefit package. Card Activity shows all card transactions and card details. SnapClaim is an optional feature that allows you to file a claim and upload receipt images directly from your smartphone. Personal Information is where you go to view or edit your personal information, such as your address or phone number. Manage Subscriptions allows you to turn on or off notifications sent to you from myRSC, or change the way you receive the notifications. If you're using an Apple device, there are buttons across the bottom of your screen: Home, Help, and the optional feature SnapClaim if it is available to you. Android devices have a back button built in, so you would only see the buttons for Help and SnapClaim if the feature is available to you. Pressing the Home button will always bring you back to this screen. The Help button gives you information of who to contact if you have any questions about your account. The SnapClaim button takes you directly into the SnapClaim feature, which we will discuss in just a few minutes. Now let's take a look at the View Accounts page. At the top is the Benefit Year selector. It will show the current year by default, but clicking on it allows you to choose any year in which you had benefits. Simply choose the year and click Done. Next is the List of Accounts. This page displays a list of the benefits which you have elected. Your display may look very different than the example here. In each of these accounts, you can see unresolved transactions, benefit summary data, and details of claims and reimbursements. Choose an account by tapping it with your finger, and you can see any unresolved transactions, which are outstanding card swipes. Click on the benefit to view annual election, deposits, claims, claims paid, and account balance. To view a particular claim, tap View Claims at the bottom. Claims are listed by month. Tap a claim to view information about the claim, such as claimant, claim number, amount, service dates, how much of the claim has been paid, and when it was paid. Now let's take a look at Card Activity. The Card Activity page gives you the option to view the transaction details or account details of your debit card associated with your FSA, HRA, transportation, or parking benefits, again dependent on what benefits you have elected. If you have an HSA debit card, you can also view transaction and account details for that card as well. Selecting View Transaction Detail takes you to the Transaction Overview page. By default, the date will be set to the last month and year a transaction took place. Select the month and year for the card activity you want to view. Only the transactions for the month and year you choose will be displayed on the screen, along with the status of those transactions. Underneath the list of transactions is a legend of the status type colors and what they mean. Clicking on a particular transaction lets you see the details of that card swipe, such as the merchant, date, amount, status, and if it was declined, the reason for that decline. Selecting View Account Detail lists all cardholders on that account. So in this example, Alice America has 3 dependents under her card account, her husband and 2 kids, and each has their own card. You can then select the person's name and see the account details associated with that card. You can see if the card is activated or blocked, the status of that card, and billing information. You also have the option of blocking a card if necessary. Just select whether the card was lost or stolen, then click Save. Keep in mind this will only disable the card. It will not automatically send you a new card. In order to request a new card, you will still need to contact your TPA. Now let's go back to the home page and look at personal information. Here you can view your name, address, gender, date of birth, phone number if you provided it, email address, and your hire date. Except for the hire date, you can edit any of your personal information. Just click on the field you want to change, make your changes, and tap Done. Then save to upload your changes to myRSC. Now let's take a look at Manage Subscriptions. Depending on what benefits you have, certain notifications will be sent to you, letting you know about activity on your account or actions you need to take. Manage Subscriptions lets you set where and how you receive these notifications. At the top of the page, you see the primary and work email that you have provided. Click Manage Email Addresses to make changes. Tap the field you want to edit, type in the email address, click Done, then click Save at the top of the screen. Keep in mind that the Manage Email Addresses page and the Subscriptions page look very much alike, but you can only edit the email address field on the Manage Email Addresses page. Tap the Manage Subscriptions field to see a list of all the different types of notifications you can receive. By tapping on Claims Received, you can choose to have the email notification set to go to your primary address, work address, or you can specify an alternate. Just click the Alternate Email field, add your email address, and once you've saved it, you can select Alternate from the list. At the bottom of the screen, you can specify how you want to receive the notification: by email, by pop-up when you log into the full version of myRSC, or both. Just click to select the option or options you prefer. Click Save at the top of the page to save your settings. Lastly, let's take a look at the Snap Claim feature. This optional feature can be accessed by clicking on the Snap Claim button at the bottom of the page, or from the home page, tap on Snap Claim from the list. Choose the type of claim you want to file from the list. This is also dependent upon your elected benefits. Then choose how it was paid for. You may also have the choice of whom to pay, yourself or your provider. You can enter the EOB or the receipt number, the claimant, their date of birth, and the relationship if desired. The service start and end dates default to the current date, but can easily be changed by tapping on them and selecting the correct date. Type in the amount and click Done. Then select the service or expense type. You can also add a note. To add a picture to your claim, you can either take a picture or add one from your picture gallery. Once you are satisfied with your image, click Done, and at the bottom of your claim, it will now show that a picture exists. Click Save, and the certification statement will appear. If you agree, tap Agree. It will take a minute to upload the claim and image, but once it is finished, it will give you a success pop-up. Accessing your benefit information and filing claims has never been easier. Download the mobile myRSC app now from the App Store for Apple products or Google Play for Android, and put your benefit information and claim filing at your fingertips.